Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add transitions to all your clips at once instead of adding them one after the other, which will take a lot of time. I'll show you how to add them all at once. So what we have to do, we have to drag this our cursor to the first part where we want to add the transition. And you add transitions only at the end of each clip. So all we have to do is to drag the cursor over there, then go to our transitions tab and select any transition we want to use. So for this video we'll be using the montage snippet. So head over to the montage snippet and click on the plus icon to add. Then when we do that, you see that the transition have been added. When you play the video, you see that the transition have been added to the video. So in order to add it to all the clips at once, what we have to do is to head over to this right hand side of your screen and click on apply to all. Once you do this, you see that the transition have been added to all the clips at once instead of adding them one after the other. This will help you to add them all at once, which will help save time while editing your videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button and hit the subscribe to get more tips from Senior Man Tech.